Expat in Mazarrón. What's it all about? My life in Spain. Where I live. Campusol. I'm on Sector A. Walking. Exploring. Walking with Bonnie. Place in the sun. Photography. My passion. Drones. DJI Phantom 3 standard. The DJI Phantom 3 advanced. The DJI Spark. Small. Learning. Well, if you got the Spark, well, we're thinking about buying a Spark. The Litchi app is doing the return to home on the Litchi app. The DJI Go apps. Nightmare.
Welcome to your aircraft. Please complete the aircraft status before taking off.
Exploring with my drone. The live show. Drone Seekers. Drone Seekers! Don't forget that name. Now if you want to join Drone Seekers, you're most welcome. Keep watching. And there's loads more. There's just too much for me to say. So as I always say, keep watching because you might miss something. So subscribe, ring that bell, and I hope to see you on the next one.